Hello. Welcome to Photoshop CC with Bronze Graphics. Window to Layers, shortcut is F7. Create a new layer. Gradient tool, shortcut is G. One click. Choose any solid color. Change blend mode. Create a new layer. Gradient tool, shortcut is G. Choose any solid color. Change blend mode. Ctrl+G for make it group. Subscribe and press the bell icon to get upcoming video notification. Make sure you leave a comment if you have any questions. Follow me on social media. I upload interesting design using Photoshop, Illustrator. Love you all.